The owner of the building that was leaking hazardous waste in Madison Heights fought the city in Oakland County Circuit Court today.
An attorney for Gary Sayers asked that a trial aimed at forcing him to pay for the building's demolition be delayed because he's now in federal prison for illegally storing hazardous waste there.
A 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell tells us that's not the city's only fight.
It made national headlines last month when drivers on I-696 saw hazardous waste coming from Electro Plating Service in Madison Heights. Since 2018, Madison Heights has been in a court battle to force the owner, Gary Sayers, to tear the business down.
They'll be able to address the contamination that's underneath the building, as well as the contamination that's around the building.
However, an attorney for Sayers asked the court to delay the trial because he turned himself in on January 3rd to federal prison to serve a 1-year sentence for storing hazardous waste illegally, much of it in a pit in the building's basement.
Trial is set for Monday. It is a date certain. I am not adjourning it. The motion to adjourn is denied.
But there are big questions about what will happen on Monday as the future of this building on 10 Mile in Madison Heights is decided. The city of Madison Heights says it has called 2 witnesses from the EPA to testify, but they are refusing to appear.
They've taken a position that they allow people to testify when it's in the agency's best interest. I and probably the rest of the country are under the mistaken impression that what they do is supposed to be in the public's interest.
The Environmental Protection Agency, after all, did an emergency cleanup on the building to prevent imminent threat to the environment back in 2017.
Do you think that they're backing out because of this latest discharge, that they don't want to be held responsible for that?
You'll have to ask them that question.
A spokesperson for the EPA says it is not refusing to testify, but that, quote, there are federal regulations that limit EPA's ability to provide an EPA witness in a lawsuit where EPA is not a named party in the action. It went on to say it would help Madison Heights authenticate key evidence or find another expert. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.